Mokshay Mangukia, roll number 622. Specialization in Human Resource Management. My proposed research title is A Study on the Expectations of Generation Z in the Workplace with special reference to IT sector under the guidance of Priti Desai ma'am. Let's begin. Keywords. The first keyword is Generation Z. The employees who born between 1997 to 2012 are considered as a Gen Z employees. The Generation Z is a very challenging generation which are raised with so many social challenges, various types of change in technologies. Second keyword is workplace. Workplace consists of physical space, culture, and as well as the well-being of employee. The expectations. Third, the expectations is of a employee about their career, growth, work-life balance, compensation, motivation, and etc. The about uh, HR practices. Next is information technology. The IT sector consists of various different fields like back-end developers, front developers, as well as the digital marketers are also can be considered in information technology sector. Research objective is to study the Generation Z workplace expectations. What does they expect for working? To investigate the factor influencing the behavior of Generation Z in the workplace. I want to study how the behavior of employees which are considered Generation Z reacting to the different HR practices to analyze if workplace expectations vary significant across the gender groups. I want to analyze the different workplace expectations various as per the different genders expectation as well. Research design. This research is going to be descriptive as well as exploratory. Exploratory because it will reveal to find the real expectations of different genders as well as a different behavior about the HR practices. I will collect the data will be collected by primary sources or with use of online or offline surveys in structured questionnaire. The secondary data which will be collected it from journals, websites, and also the published paper by different authors as well as the article will be also collected as a secondary data. To analyze the data, I will use statistical techniques like chi-square as well as ANOVA to propose my finding and to analyze the different factors affecting the expectations of an employee. Research paper reviewed. The first research paper is of Alien Elegant Marigine. The author published the research paper in 2021. Publication name European Review of Applied Psychology. The review of literature in this paper, author reveals the finding in which the Generation Z opinions and the expectations regarding their present or the future jobs and completing their goals as they have decided. This was an exploratory study performed on the members in the Glow-handed Revident. This study also shows that if the employee is working in the big companies, the informal and the relaxed environment which he gets after working for the such big companies. In 2021, another paper was published by Professor Srivalli Dirga and Isha Madhilus in the publication named Amity Journal of Management. Topic of research was expectations of Generation Z from the workplace. In this paper, how author finds that the how in Generation Z are are getting motivated by the different activities which is done by the organization. As per the paper, it is also tell that how to design the recruitment and training programs will be for this generation. In 2022 again, the Sharma and Miss Prayaga and Richi Pandit, uh, the author of Workplace Expectations of Different Generations, publication was Wilson Journal of Research. In this paper, the importance of understanding both Generation Z as well as X and Y expectations at work and several generation are combined in the workforce. Means that in this paper, the author tells about how it is important to understand the expectations of every generation combined at the workplace. In 2020, Lakic LL presents the career expectations of Generation Z in the publication of Springer International Publishing, in which the paper illustrates that how the Generation Z employees are expectation for employment, and this study was undertaken on 3,357 undergraduate students at the University of Novi Sad, in which the paper finds that the education, experience, and leading of a balanced lifestyle are top priority of the Generation Z employees. After the 2006, So Young Lee published paper expectations on employee toward the workplace and environmental satisfaction in published in Facility Emerald Insights. In this paper, author find in this review, the article was to examine the workers' perceive and expect for a physical workplace, how the environment at work affects the productiveness of workers is explained well in this paper. These were the 5 reviewed research paper. Thank you.